How to convert a Facebook profile to page. Okay, find Facebook, open it, go to settings, see more, click pages, create page, get started, write your page name. Mine is Jordan. Next. Mine is clothing brand. Create. You can search for categories when you create. I choose promote your product or services. Continue. Okay, journal, contacts and email. I can skip it. Now your page is created. This is how to convert Facebook profile to page. Okay, done. It may take time. Now your profile is converted into page. Your page is ready. Welcome to your new page. Next, next, next. Your page is created.